Today, the center said that 20 YouTube channels and 2 websites have been blocked for spreading anti-India propaganda. This came after a coordinated effort between intelligence agencies and the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. In a statement, the ministry said that most of the content were on sensitive subjects linked to national security and are factually incorrect. The government said that the channels and websites belong to a coordinated disinformation network operating from Pakistan and spreading fake news about various sensitive subjects related to India. It added that they were used to post divisive content on topics like Kashmir, Indian Army, minority communities in India, Ram Mandir, General Bipin Rawat, etc. In a video message, Union Minister Anurag Thakur said that efforts were being made from across the border to spread fear and confusion through fake news and anti-India content. He added that action has been taken against them under the IT rule so that the agenda that Pakistan carries out against India are blunted. He further said that strict action has been taken against them so that such forces do not work against India. The disinformation campaign was run from Pakistan under the Naya Pakistan group by anchors of Pakistani news channels. The other YouTube channels were standalone. Together, they have a subscriber base of over 35 lakh and their videos had over 55 crore views. The blocked channels whose list and spurious content screenshots were shared by the ministry included The Punchline, International Web News, The Naked Truth, Fictional, 48 News, Historical Facts and Cover Story. The government said that the YouTube channels had also posted content on issues such as the farmers' protests related to the Citizenship Amendment Act, and tried to incite minorities against the government of India. The center said that there was concern too that these channels will be used to post content to undermine the democratic process in the coming elections in the 5 states. The order was the first by the ministry under the new information technology rules that were put in place in February. The ministry said that it has acted to secure the information space in India and utilized emergency powers under the Rule 16 of the Information Technology, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Codes, Rules 2021.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.